Okay, Chorus, we're about to go outside to give Alex Bruni some supplies. So, what do you recommend we bring for him? Ew! I don't know what. Maybe we should bring him some water. Does that sound good to you? Yes, that is a very good idea. Let's go do it. Okay, but there's one thing you need to know. What is it? It's very dangerous out there. Really? Yes. What kind of dangers are there? Well, take a look at the TV. As you can see, Chorus, these are terror birds, and we have many of them outside, which is why we have to bring weapons just in case. Okay? Are you ready to go out yet? Yes. Let's go. Okay, Chorus, we reached the section. Let's unpack our vehicle. Okay. Remember, Chorus, you must all have your weapons. Okay, Chorus, I got the water. Now I'll bring it to Alex Bruni. Where is Alex Bruni anyway? I wonder if this fence is even still electric. Get over that fence. Entrance is right over here. Alex Bruni! Alex Bruni! Where is this man? I hope he's not still sleeping. Alex Bruni! Alex Bruni! Well, he's not in here. I wonder what happened to the roof anyways. You know what? I'm going inside. Alex Bruni? Why would you answering me? Oh, I'm sorry. I was just finishing my soup. Well, I came to tell you that I brought you some water. Oh, really? Alex Bruni, why weren't you answering us? Oh, I just felt out of after, so I was finishing my soup. Well, that's good to know. You didn't think one of those terror birds ate me, now did you? No. What's going on? What's going on? Well, I just saw a terror bird here. Really? Really? Well, it's too dangerous for you guys to head back. I think you should stay with me tonight. I think he's right. We should stay.